After the space race and the AI race comes a new global frontier, the humanoid robot race, and at its front lines, China. In a Shanghai warehouse, rows of humanoid robots at startup AgiBot spend 17 hours a day learning the basics, steaming shirts, assembling sandwiches, scanning groceries.
We want to use general-purpose robots to create unlimited productivity. Just imagine like one day in our own robot factory, our robots are assembling themselves.
President Xi Jinping himself visited the AgiBot facility last month, highlighting the sector's national significance. While joking the machines might soon form a football team, Beijing is backing this ambition with hard cash, $20 billion in government support this past year, and a new trillion yuan fund for startups in AI and robotics. It's already driving expansion. Unitree, based in Hangzhou, just moved into a massive new facility with help from local authorities. Whenever we have any needs, they do their best to support us. This year, we expanded into a brand new factory space of over 10,000 square meters. AgiBot's goal: slash prices by half within 5 years, mirroring the fast fall in electric vehicle costs over the past decade.
Yes, go down by half is a very reachable goal, yeah. And as we heard from other humanoids leaders in the industry, for example, Tesla, they have some prediction, like by end of this year, they will deliver more than 10,000 robots. Next year, 10 times of the previous year. And if we keep that pace, I think it's very likely.
The hardware edge, it's made in China.
You might have a request in the morning, and by the afternoon, almost at that speed, it can be fulfilled. In the afternoon, suppliers might bring materials or their products to your company, or you can go directly to their site to check them out.
90% of humanoid components are sourced domestically. That supply chain dominance has helped launch dozens of new companies. In 2024 alone, 31 Chinese firms unveiled 36 humanoid models, compared to just 8 from the US. But it's not just factories and forecasts. In April, China staged a humanoid showcase at the Yizhuang Half Marathon in Beijing. 21 robots lined up with thousands of human runners, some sprinting, some stumbling. One robot veered into a barrier. Another collapsed at the start line. Only 6 finished the race. But one stood out. Tiangong Ultra, a humanoid from the Beijing Innovation Center of Human Robotics, crossed the finish line in 2 hours and 40 minutes, earning a medal and making history.
Government is definitely committing the most in terms of humanoid robotics development. The way the Chinese government looks at it is that humanoid robotics can be the next EV industry, where by investing in the entire manufacturing supply chain, you can come up with a product that is better, cheaper, and globally exportable.
It's a race where crashes are expected, and progress is measured in meters, not miles. But as China's aging population grows and labor demands shift, humanoids aren't just a dream, they're a strategy. For now, the robots may run awkwardly, but China is racing to lead and not just participate.